In front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck device and system info from Flar to developer. When it's ready, launch it, and thanks to it, learn all the information about your Motorola's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!